Hey y'all, the other day after I had a blood pressure spike, or at least I think that's what it was, but we'll get more into that later. I had an interview to do. They showed up too early, but I let them in anyway. Anyway, here's a little bit of it.
So yes, Miss Angie, you are the creator of Homegirl Workouts. Tell us why you do what you do.
Hold on a minute. This is really good. You want some?
Oh, no, thank you.
Okay. I just believe in helping others. There was a time where I reflected on, had I had the guidance that I needed, you know, if I had the push or somebody in my ear, how some chain of events would have went differently. And there was a time that God blessed me with not one but two confidants in two different spaces in time that pulled my coattail about some things that really helped bless me spiritually in my life. So I'm just trying to help. I know it's not for everybody, but I focus on the ones that it is for, you know?
Yes, definitely. I get that and I feel you. Would you mind diving a little deeper and telling us more?
Tell your cameraman to get back some. I think he wants some of my toast.
Yeah, yeah.
I said get back now. You move, but to the side, not back.
Just cut the interview. She done cut the TV back up. Let's go on and get out of here. Yeah.
First of all, let me say that was a skit, basically. I like to have a little fun. Being a content creator has been fun for me, though the support is kind of meh. You know, I do thank God for those who faithfully show support in more ways than just a view of my videos. But to be serious, like I mentioned, I don't know at this point if it was a blood pressure spike or a dip, because I've actually been getting lower than normal readings. And at first, I just assumed it was a spike because it felt just like the other times I've had a spike. The lightheadedness, the dizziness, the nausea, all the stuff that goes with having a blood pressure spike. And I see that I'm actually not due to go back to my doctor until like September, but I'm going to actually make an impromptu appointment because that pain on my right side, I'm still feeling it. And I noticed when I run back some of my videos, it looks like there's some type of bulge coming out from my side. I don't know. All I know is I'm not a hypochondriac, but oh yeah, let me look at the lens, my bad. But I do believe in taking care of myself. And as like I mentioned in another video, my age be aging. It's like every year after my birthday or right at around my birthday, something just happens where, okay, I need to tend to it. And I have no problem with that. I want to be well. I know that one day we're all gonna leave this earthly home, and I fully accept that. But that doesn't negate my responsibility to take care of my temple. And I do the best I can. But with that being said, and being transparent, I knew that the dizzy spell that I had and the sickness that I experienced, as soon as I woke up and the room was spinning, I just have to shake my head. I can talk to y'all, right? I had been eating off track, still mixing a little bit of healthy in, but when I order out for the kids, now when I was in beast mode, well, which I still consider myself in it, but initially in beast mode, I can order them McDonald's, Whataburger, Domino's, Wingstop, whatever, and I would just let them get something, and I would eat my salad with probably my chicken strips in it. But for the past week and a half or so, I just went ahead. First, it started with some Church's chicken. That chicken was good. Church's is always good to me. I know it's a lot of grease and fat or whatnot. My mom actually, when we would order Church's, I know, back in the day and whatnot, she would get a paper towel or a cloth and just press the grease out of it, and it would be a lot of grease. But it was good. And then we got McDonald's. And I was like, man, give me a double quarter pounder with cheese. I didn't intend to get a milkshake, but I let my son do the ordering because, mind you, we use coupons and everything. And so he'll have coupons for something off or something free. And I will have some sometimes. So I'll let him order. And so when it came, there was a large vanilla shake. I said, oh, I got a shake. He was like, yeah, I thought this was what so bet. Man, I'm drinking this shake. And a large French fry. Still to this day, McDonald's has the number one fast food fries to me. And so got all that, ate it all, savage. And then, and I'm not ashamed to tell y'all all this, it is what it is. I have to be transparent with my platform because my aim is to help others. And I'm thinking I'm not by myself. I'm not alone. But anyway, after McDonald's, then came Domino's. Well, by then I'm like more conscious and aware, like, okay, you went kind of hard with the Church's, then the McDonald's, so I'm like, I'm gonna get a small pizza. And I actually didn't even eat all of it. I had a few slices and I told my son he could have the rest. With that though, I had garlic parmesan wings from Domino's. Love their garlic parmesan wings. Love their mango habanero. And I ate. Then we got Wingstop. Garlic parmesan again, but theirs is a more of a powder. Domino's is a sauce. Theirs is a powder, and that was by that Friday, this past Friday. And my daughter was like, I don't like their garlic parmesan wings. They are too salty. That was my first red flag. I ate them anyway. Not all of them. I probably ate like 2, maybe 3 of them because I love chicken tenders. Ate those Saturday morning. Woke up and the room was spinning. And I get upset. I'm like, you gotta stop doing this, God forgive me for cussing. Because I did, because it angered me, because it's like, how did you let this happen again? But at the same time, to be my own advocate, it's not like I let it happen, but it's like the way I was eating, I should have known to cut it off after the Church's chicken. I shouldn't have eaten more fast food over the next few days or whatnot. But it happened. This was yet another wake-up call that I don't want to have again. I'm woke, Lord. I'm woke. Because it's like, after going so hard, losing 45 pounds, creating a platform, purchasing an LLC, how you gonna help other people and you ain't acting right? Right? So that's my transparency with what happened. But like I also said, my blood pressure cuff that I have, as well as my smartwatch, has actually been reading lower. So I'm like, well, I went to Google University, signed in for class real quick, and then did. But it said that high blood pressure can resemble low. So at this point, I'm like, I just need to go see my doctor and talk to him. I'm gonna let him know again everything that I'm taking, plus that I just started taking a Centrum multivitamin, which he's always pushed for me to take a multivitamin. I just wasn't taking a multivitamin, but I'm also taking my other vitamins with that. So, and I've been open and candid with him about the things that I consume, even my turmeric water, and he was, nodding in agreement to that. Sounds good, because a lot of times these doctors know this natural and holistic stuff helps. He applauded my weight loss, encourages me to keep it going and everything. But I'm just gonna write and take a note of, I'm really getting old. Take a paper in there with everything on there that I need to share with him. And I'm gonna do that, and just see what's going on with my side. If I need to, go get an x-ray or whatever, because I think he'll start with an x-ray before we'll jump up to an MRI or something. But I don't like that I still feel the pain when I cough. So I like to see about myself. And so for this Wellness Wednesday, that's your tip as well. See about yourself, and don't let my mistakes be yours, please. And the analytics show that not many 20 and 30 something year olds are even looking at my videos. So but if there are any in the room, I just want to encourage you to continue to see about your health. Check on yourself. Go get your physicals or well exams. If you have insurance that calls for you to get well exams annually, do it. I think it's about time for me to go get another mammogram. I just believe in doing those things. And we need to encourage our husbands, our significant others, our boyfriends, our brothers, our uncles, our dads, our grandfathers. Men tend to be horrible at going to the doctor, like just don't want to go for whatever reasons, but it needs to be done. I do believe in some type of medical influence in our lives, although I'm not totally with big pharma, all the drugs. I believe in natural and holistic ways. But I believe that we do still need doctors. I think God blessed us with doctors. So that's your Wellness Tip Wednesday for today. I hope that you aren't derailed or deterred by my mistakes, because honey, first of all, I'm human. Second of all, it's happened before, and if you haven't gotten on track with your eating and exercising, trying to take care of yourself, how can you judge me? So I really want to help. I really want to encourage, because that's not going to happen again. And I'm thinking it could be a lower blood pressure, because I'm still feeling like remnants of lightheadedness, and I don't know what's going on. I'm several days out from it, and now I'm just wondering. I still kind of have to watch making a quick move, because I'll feel it, and the room doesn't spin, but I'm still feeling the effects in my head, and that's usually where it starts for me. And blood pressure is high blood pressure is called the silent killer, and heart disease and such. It just comes up on you, and usually it's after long times of events. Fortunately for me, this just happened over a period of a few days of eating in a way that I knew I shouldn't have. It's about moderation. So that's it for your Wellness Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. See about yourself. Make sure, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like, and y'all comment. If you watched this video and you felt any type of way, or you thought something, share it with me. I accept the comments. I receive them all, and I do reply. So peace and be well, and I will see you in the next one.